Run /SQL select 1 for a quick inline probe. Every table and column name comes from the sqlucent parser, not from modal guessing. For longer queries, /SQL opens a modal, paste SQL, pick a dialect, and submit. Lineage traces net revenue back to quantity and unit price. The linter flag select star in the enriched CDE. Post SQL in a code block, then use the message shortcut to analyze it in the thread. Select star is flagged as a medium risk, brittle to schema changes. Try SQL Second Opinion in our dev sandbox, open source on GitHub.